Here I have VERNEE Mix tool, and today I'm going to show you how to get access to the developer options on this device. So first of all, open settings, then scroll down to the bottom, go to the about phone section, and here you have to find the line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find developer options here right above about phone section. Here they are, our very useful and interesting developer options. Get access to them and get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable them here and they will disappear from the settings list, or they won't. I guess they should, but they won't. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.